Good evening, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well, and I would like to welcome you in this new video for our live scalping strategy. Today we are going to do some scalping, but I want to inform you that I am now testing a new broker called IC Markets. After some researches, I found that they are the best for scalpers because they have zero spread amount and they are only taking commission. They're charging $7 per one lot, and I'm feeling somehow more secured and more safe with this one. I'm also able to control my money management better than before, so I don't need to count the spread. So I feel it's much better. I didn't try yet the live account with them, so today what you will see is only demo account, and next video hopefully I will put some money in my live trading account and I will do some trading in the real account. So let's go to the strategy. I am now on the 4-hour chart. So let me now go to the assets one by one and find any setups good for scalping. We see that on the AUD USD, I am currently on a resistance level, but I think here the candle has already reversed way too much, and still there is 1 hour 20 minutes for the closure. Let me switch to the 5-minute and see things even more clear. So what I see now is I am on a resistance level. If I want to select the other resistance level, I think it will be this one here. So no, I believe it's going to reverse now. Why? Because here we can see the breakout candle. Let me just bring my tool and show you. We have here we have this breakout candle. We have here this previous support is now becoming the new resistance. Therefore, I'm going to place sell. Notice now that there will be no spread. Immediately, the trade has been placed exactly at the trigger area. That's why I think this is much more friendly broker for the scalpers. But until now, again, I'm saying I did not try their withdrawal system. I need to be sure about it, and I want to make sure before I start promoting this broker. But so far, the reviews about IC Markets are stunning, and it's very good. We can see here that they have taken for them $2.10 as a commission. And if you see here, we have the current profit is minus 3.90, so total is minus 570. That is because of the commission. So of course, if you add $2.10 to the minus 480, total will be about $7 in loss. And of course, we just need to wait until this pair go more down. I believe this is indeed, yes, this is the right resistance level, because looking at the left, we can see that this level was acting as a resistance. We see that there was no candle closed above this level, and we see here long breakout candle, and this one also long. Both of them are bearish breakout candle, meaning, let me represent it in a drawing, in a paragraph. So we have like this. We have this long breakout candle. So now the price is going up again, retesting the same level, and it's supposed to go even more and more down. So this is the scenario I'm hoping to see here. You can tell that my entry was a bit earlier, but that is not a problem. Because again, seeing the 4-hour chart, I am on a resistance level. I don't think it will go more up at this point, especially we see here 2 long wicks indicating a pressure from the sellers. The sellers, they are pushing this asset to go even more and more down. The bears are winning this battle here. So once we see this pressure from the sellers, we should know that the market is trying to go up, but eventually it will not be able to go more up. So seeing this on the 15-minute chart, even giving better picture, that I have selected the right resistance level. And I agree with you, maybe I have made my entry a bit earlier, so what I will do is I'm going to place another sell order. And actually I'm enjoying seeing that there is no spread. I'm enjoying the control I'm having to see that the trigger is happening exactly where I want it to be. I entered exactly here and I see my entry point, the trigger area is exactly here where I wanted it to be. And you can see now the candle is falling down. The candle will continue falling down and I will set my take profit here. So I'm expecting to get $10 from the first one. I'm not able to see it for the second one. $14. So total I'm aiming about 4 pips, which is not bad for scalping trade. And you can see I'm already in profit now. The first trade is 5.40, second one is 1.50, but you can see the commission is the same because I entered with the size of 0.30. So for 0.30 they will charge $2.10. So total I am actually in profit of $4 so far. So until this one finish, I want to explain to you guys a big mistake done by many people. For example, let's say they found a very good setup for buy on Euro USD. Euro USD. Actually, let me open the paint so this will be easier for you. Okay, so again, let's say for example, say you found a very good setup. What is this? Oh, it's hanging now. Perfect. Euro USD. Let me increase the font. Okay. So let me explain to the beginners, what does it mean when you are buying Euro USD? What is going on? Let me explain to you. When you buy the Euro USD, you are actually telling that the Euro is going up while the USD is going down. This is exactly what you are saying when you are placing buy for the Euro USD, because the profit will be the margin from the difference in the currency value between Euro and the USD dollar. So if you are buying the Euro USD, you are saying that I want to buy the Euro and I am betting or I am making profit from the margin in the value between the Euro and the USD dollar. So if the Euro will really, the value of the Euro will go up while the value of the USD will go down, then you are making profit. That is how Forex works. And of course, vice versa. If, for example, in the same time, you are buying, let's say, the USD GPY, okay, so again, since we are on the USD GPY now, what we are saying, if we are going to buy, let me make it read better. If we are going to buy the USD GPY, what we are saying that the value of the USD will rise up while the value of the Japanese yen should be falling down. This is what you are doing when you are buying an asset, and of course vice versa. If you are selling the USD GPY, if you place sell, you are saying that the USD value will go lower than the GPY, meaning the GPY should be going up and the USD should be going down. Or in other words, the value of the US dollar is going to be lower than the value of the GPY. Or in other words, USD value is going up and the GPY value is rising up. Now let me put the scenario for you. The biggest mistake some of people are doing. You have now the Euro USD and you have the USD GPY. So let me tell you, what if you buy the Euro USD and you also found another setup for buying the USD GPY? So you're placing also buy for the USD GPY. Do you know what you just did? What you did now is called conflict. You made a conflict now. You are going against the wave or against the tide, because what you are saying now is you are saying that the euro, the value of the euro is going up while the value of the USD is going down. But on the other hand, in the USD GPY, you are saying that the USD is going up while the GPY is going down. And that is, my friend, is conflict. And of course, in this scenario, your trade will never work. That is not how it works. You have to be careful. You have to be wise. When you are selling, for example, the Euro USD, it will be wise to buy the USD GPY. So how it should be, if you want to make it reasonable, you need to find setup for, if you are buying, for example, if you are buying the Euro USD, so meaning the Euro going up and the USD is going down. So if you want to open the USD GPY chart, you need to find a setup where you can sell the USD GPY, because the value of the USD is going down, so you will be fine. So the USD is going down and the GPY is going up. That is one of the very common mistakes people are doing. Let me tell you something. At the time of Donald Trump have won the election, the whole USD was falling down. What I did that time is placing sell on all of the assets begin with the USD. So I placed sell for USD GPY, and USD Canadian, USD CAD, and what else? I think I sold. Yeah, I bought buy GBP USD and AUD USD, and I think I also sold USD CHF. Notice, at the time Donald Trump have won the elections, I knew that the dollar is going down. So what I did, I sold all the assets where they start with USD, while I bought all the assets against USD. And trust me, all of them were winning trades and were in the money. All of them. I remember clearly that day I made about $300 from this trade, because I was scalping with the small volume, because it was the first time for me to do this method. So this is what I wanted to explain to you. So you have to be careful and be wise. Don't ever conflict with your trades. Be wise. When you're buying the Euro USD, don't go and buy USD GPY. You have to be wise again when selecting your trades. So let's see our trades, what's going on with them. They were very close to the take profit, but again they went up. No worries, I want to see what will gonna happen. So let me show you. Now I have sold AUD USD. It's meaning I need to find, for example, now USD Canadian. USD Canadian seems to be in a sell setup, right? It seems that I am on a resistance level, but looking on the 4-hour chart, I'm not really on a resistance level. But the common mistake for people they are doing, AUD USD is going up, sorry, is going down, meaning the USD is, sorry, I'm now confusing myself. AUD is going down while the USD is rising up. So if I want to buy if I want to make a trade on the USD Canadian, I have to make sure it will be only buying, because I am betting that the USD will rise against the CAD. So the CAD should be going down. This is what I'm trying to say when I'm opening a new trade for the USD Canadian. So USD CAD should be going up at any point, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I see that the CAD is in a very good buy setup. Let me tell you what I'm seeing. What I'm seeing is this breakout candle, and we see here this resistance has been breaking out. I believe the CAD should be bought. I place buy, so I will set my take profit here at the next nearest resistance at this point level here. So what I did now is completely logic. I am selling the AUD USD, saying that the AUD will go down while the USD will go up. On the other hand, I'm buying the USD CAD, saying that the USD will go up and the CAD will go down. Of course, it's not necessarily happen all the time, but I'm just telling you that the logic, so you can understand it. Look at that. All our trades now are in profit. All of the trades so far in profit. Let me increase it a little bit. I know some people, they cannot see because of the logo of XTREME-TRADER. Here you can see it now. All of our trades currently are in profit. Let me see this one here. This one is very close to the take profit area, and I think it will hit the take profit. Otherwise, I will close it if it's not going more down. And I believe, yeah, I will close it. And this one also, I will close it with a profit. Now this trade, I will keep it also. And you can see it's flying up. It's flying more and more up. So again, what I will do is I will close it in profit also. Yeah, sometimes I'm setting to take profit, and you are wondering, why don't you keep it running for the take profit? Actually, I'm being realistic. I just want to take some pips and get out of the trade with a profit. It's better for me than to just watch the trade and hopefully it will touch it. I mean, I'm not a greedy person. It's okay. I'm just fine with some profit. Okay, so now we are on the 4-hour chart. Let me check the AUD Canadian. AUD Canadian right now is on a resistance level. Perfect. It's exactly on the resistance. Let me just be sure. Yes, exactly. It's on the resistance. Let me switch to the 5-minute chart, and I think I am late. This could have been the best entry point. And again, I'm telling you guys, if I am late in my entry, I do not enter. I either enter at the right time or I don't enter. So since I see that I have missed this chance here, let me switch to another asset. I see that I am on a resistance level and the candle is falling down. I will not trade anything here. AUD GPY seems to be on a support zone, but I don't trust it honestly. Nothing here. We missed this one. Here I am on a support level now. Yes, I am on a support level for the CAD JPY. Switch back to the 5-minute chart, and we see here now the breakout candle. This is the breakout candle. What I will do now is I will wait for the candles to come a little bit more down. I will place then my buy order and the candle should be flying more up. So now let's wait and see what will gonna happen. I'm thinking to pause the video until this happen. It's highly recommended, guys. Don't place your trade way too early or way too late. The key for success, in my opinion, in trading Forex is picking your entry point. That is the most important thing. It is the reason a lot of people are actually failing in this market, because they enter either way too early or way too late. So you can see the bouncing. Candle is already bouncing. Again, let me check the 4 hours chart, and I think we are fine so far. We can still wait for another comeback. I think the candle, yes, it's coming more down, more down. I'm placing getting my trigger ready. I don't want to skip this part of the video because I want you to see the reality, how it works actually. Okay, let's just wait and see what will gonna happen. You can see the candle is struggling to exceed this resistance zone. If it closes above this level, then I think it's not coming down anymore. So we will need to find another asset. You know what I will do? Let me find another one already. CHF GPY is not on a clear level. Not this one also. Euro CHF too late. I'm kind of on a resistance level. Here we can see that I'm on a resistance zone for the EuroCAD. Let me switch to the 5-minute and see. Okay, so I believe this is the point where I want to place my trade, and I believe I'm late. Yeah, I'm late, I think. So let me skip this one to go to another asset. Here we can wait for the resistance touch at this point here exactly. So if the candle touch this zone here, I will place my sell order after seeing the 5-minute chart. Let me tell you why I draw my line here like this. Because here we can see it's touching the wick, and here also it's touching the closing price of this level, and we can see that this level has a resistance level here, and even here we can see a resistance. It was ranging here in the past, so I believe this is a very strong level. Also we can see here a breakout candle for this support, meaning it will be resistance in the near future. I think it's only 15 pips away to become a resistance. So I believe this will take some time. Let me go back again. Hopefully we can find something. Yeah, well, if we cannot find anything, then we're just running out of luck. USD GPY. Okay, now I'm on the support level, but I think I'm way too late. Okay, no, I'm not late. Actually, this is good entry. Let me just confirm it. Let me just confirm. Hold on. And I believe, yes, that is the right time to place. Yes, exactly. That is the right time, and I will set my take profit here. 4 pips only. It's fine, it's fine. Even if it go a little bit more down, it will go to this support level. So what I'm relying on is for the candle to reverse at this support level here. If not, it will go down to this support. Yes, it went here exactly, as I'm telling you. It went here exactly. It should now be going up. Hopefully it will go up, otherwise we are just losing this trade, which is totally fine because this strategy have a winning ratio. You cannot win all of the trades always. So let me see now. I think what we are seeing now here is a fake breakout. These two candles, when you see two breakout candles next to each other like this, you have to know that this is called fake breakout. So in other words, this is a fake breakout, so I'm going to rely on this breakout here. This green candle, the bullish candle, is the one I'm relying on. So I think at this point here we should see the reversal happening. Let me select my support level. What am I pressing? Okay, good. You can see now it's going a little bit more down, but I don't think it will go down more than that. Let me see. Yes, here we can see a previous resistance was a support in the past. Sorry, because okay, here we can see a previous resistance, and we can see the breakout candle. So I'm assuming it will start reversing now at this level here. So what I'm going to do is placing another buy. Of course, it's not recommended to do like this. It's dangerous to keep fighting with the market, but you know, since I am making this video for educational purpose, I will keep it going. So let's see what's happening. And you can see now it's reversing. It's reacting to the level. It's reversing now. I don't think it can come up now, especially going to the 4-hour chart. I can find myself actually it was on a support level, but I think it's breaking out of it. Let's see what will gonna happen. Now in the 4-hour chart, it's not very promising, to be honest. 5-minute chart, however, is telling me something else, and I think it's somehow promising on the 5-minute chart. We can look for a pullback, which is, I'm assuming, is happening right now. So I think now we are looking for a pullback before falling even more down, and that is the beauty of scalping, is you can get points even from the pullbacks. I think I will pause the video until we see what will gonna happen with this trade. Perfect. I just kept this trade running for another 2 minutes, and you can see I'm already in profit. So what I will do is I will accept it. I will take it in profit. So I close this trade in profit, and that is how you can recover any possibility of another loss. So yeah, I think that's all for today. I hope you guys have understood more about scalping and how we can scalp using this beautiful strategy. And I hope you now are more aware about when you're picking your trades, don't conflict and buying the Euro USD while also selling the GBP USD. You cannot do like that. You have to be careful and wise when you are picking your trades. My advice for you is to select or to keep running only one trade at a time. That is my advice for you, to avoid any scenarios of unlucky occasions, such as if you are in the middle of a scalping trade and there is some unexpected news about the USD, then both of your trades will lose. So to avoid that, set only one trade per time. Keep your eyes on it, watch it, because it will last for only about 10-15 minutes maximum. Then you should be in profit. Be wise and select only one trade per time, and you will be fine. I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.